Hello all of you, welcome to ACE. Today we are going to discuss about RRB Office Assistant Mains Grand Test number 23 reasoning session. Let's move on the questions. Here's the first question. Input output based on input output. Then see the changes. What are the changes is given here? 76 is common, 64 is common, 81 will be 18 is here, 19 common, 26 will be 62 here, 35 common, 48, 51, 60 and 43 common. Then it will be taken as only 81 and 26. You can check that 81, 26 enduku teeskovali. 81 is in the given set of numbers is the highest odd number, and 26 is the given set of numbers is the lowest even number. So take it as a highest odd number. So highest odd number and lowest even number. So in the place of highest odd number తీసుకుంటూ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, just the numbers ని రివర్స్ చేస్తున్నాడు. 81 will be 18 is here, 26 will be 62 here. Then after step 2 18 ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది అండ్ 62 ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. అంటే ఈ 62 బ్యాక్ జరుగుతుంది, ఈ 18 ఫ్రంట్ జరుగుతుంది. అంటే తర్వాత మనం వచ్చేది 18కి ముందు పెట్టాలి, తర్వాత వచ్చే 62కి తర్వాత ప్లేస్ చేయాలని చెప్తున్నాము. తర్వాత ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, ద నెక్స్ట్ ఫర్గెట్ అబౌట్ దట్, స్టెప్ 1 మర్చిపోండి. ఇంకా ద నెక్స్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్, ఫస్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ 81 కదమ్మా. ద నెక్స్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ వచ్చేసి 76 కాదు, దాన్ని చూస్తే మనకి 51 ఒకటే ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ హైయెస్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అంటే లెఫ్ట్ మోస్ట్ సైడ్లో హైయెస్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటూ ఉన్నాడు, రైట్ మోస్ట్ సైడ్లో లోయెస్ట్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాడు. లెఫ్ట్ మోస్ట్ సైడ్లో హైయెస్ట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్, హైయెస్ట్, సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్, థర్డ్ హైయెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటూ రివర్స్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. రైట్ మోస్ట్లోనేమో సెకండ్ లోయెస్ట్ ఈవెన్ నెంబరు, దాని తర్వాత సెకండ్ లోయెస్ట్ ఈవెన్ నెంబరు, థర్డ్ లోయెస్ట్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ తీసుకుంటూ మళ్ళీ రివర్స్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాడు. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? So see here is 15, 51 is good, 15, 18 common, 76 common, 64 common, 19 common, 35 common, and after 26 next smallest even number is 48 only. So next smallest even number is 48 only. So 48 will be 84 and 51 will be this side, 60 common, 43 common, 62 common, 84 will to 48. Is it clear? So our input is given. Come on, do that. Our input is given. What is the input? 26, 14. So input is given. Okay, fine. What is the input? 26, 14, 18. 26, 14, 18. 39, 37, 39, 37, 31, 40, 49, 44 and 23. First I have to do that separate of even and odd numbers. Separation of even and odd. So there is a even and there is a even and there is a even. No need to draw the odd numbers, right? There is already separation. 23, 49, 31, 37, 39 is the odd numbers, and there are 5 even numbers and 5 odd numbers. You can check alternatively, right? Then first step. What is the first step is given? First highest odd number and smallest even number, right? What is the highest odd number? Highest odd number in the given sense, highest odd number is 49 only. Highest odd number 49 only. 49 will be 94, right? 49 will be 94. Then so smallest even number is 14. Smallest even number is 14. Then 26 is common and 18 is common, 39 and 37, 31, 40 and 49 will be first, right? Then 44 and 23. Then after 14 will be 41. Just reverse, right? 14 will be 41, 49 will be 94. What is the step 2? Step 2 is given next highest number. After 49, next highest is 39, right? Sorry, 39, 37, 31, 23, right? So next highest is 39. Then after 93 is here and 94 is here. Will be move on to left side. Chepkunnam indaka. See that here. First 18, step 1 is 18. Then after 15, 18 will be move that side. And 62 move to left hand side. 18 move to right hand side. So here 93 will be the side. And next smallest even number is 14. After 14, here's the 18 only. Here's the 18 only. Then 93, 94 is the 26 and 18 going to the side, right? 81 will be, right? 39 and 37, 31, 40, 44 and 23 and 41 move to left hand side, and after 18 will be 81 is here. 18 will be 81. Then after step 3, next smallest, next highest number. After 49, after 39, then 37 only, right? So 37 and 26. So here 37 will be 73 and 93 and 94 and 26 will be going to right hand side. Then 39 is here. 37 will be right side, right? So 37 already ikkada raskunnam. 73, 31, 40, 44, 23, 41, 81 and 26 will be 62. Excuse me, 62. The next one, fourth step. Come on. Next highest number, right? So after 37, 31 and then 40. 31 and then 40, right? Lowest, then highest. 31 will be 13 and 73, 93, 94 and then 39. So already 93, right? So first one 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3, 3 and 4, 3, 3, 3 and so it is not a 39. Is elimination, right? 39 will be 93. 39 will be 93. Then after again 73, 93, 94, not a 39 again. Not a 39 again. So here 3, 6, 4, 10, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10. Then come on. So here 73, 13 will be 13, 73, 93, 94 is common and it is the 40. 40 will be right side. 44 and 23 and 41. Yeah, okay. 81, 62 and 40 will be going to right hand side. 0, 4 is here. 0, 4, reverse. The next step. Fifth step is here. After 31 is the 23. 23 will be 32, right? So 32 and 13, 73 and 93, 94. Then after 1, 44, right? So 44 on the right hand side. 44 reverse is 44 only. So 23 and 41, 81, 62, 04 and 44 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So something is repeating again. 32 will be 23. 23 again I am repeating. I am not repeating that. So it is not. So 3, 6, 4, 10, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10. So that is the last step. That is the last step of the given arrangement. Right? All are completed, right? Then move on to questions. What is the third element from the right hand in step 3? Third from the right in step 3, 94, right? 94 is the 94. What is the third element from the right hand? They are asking right hand, right? So 1, 2, 3, right hand is 41. Option B. Question number 1, option B is right one. Next question number 2. What is the sum of the numbers? What is sum of the second element from the left hand? Step 2. Step 2, second from the left, 94 and the third element from the right hand in last step. Third from right in last step is 62 and 6, 15, 156 is here. Option C. Question number 2, option C is the right one. Next question number 3. In which of the following steps does the element 93, 94, 44 appear in the same order? 93, 94, 44. So 93, 94, 44, there is only one step. So 93, 94, 44 ledu. 93, 94, there is not 44. There is only one step, there is not 44. Only fourth step. Only step number 4, option B. Question number 3, option B is the right one. Next question number 4. What is the difference between the fourth element from the left hand? Step 2. From the left hand, step 2, fourth element. 1, 2, 3, fourth element is 37. And then second element from the right hand, step 4. Step 4, second from the right hand, 62. So what is the difference they are asking? 12, 5 and 2. 25 is here. 25. Option C. Question number 4. Option C is the right one. Next question number 5. How many elements are there between 93 and 44 in step 3? In between 93 44 step 3, so 93 and it is a 44. 1, 2, 3 elements is here. 1, 2, 3 elements is here. Question number 5, option B is the right one. Next question. Then each of the given below, 2 statements are given followed by conclusions. 1, 2, 3. You have to take the given statement to be true. Then there logically follows. So read the conclusion, decide which of the given conclusion logically follows. They are logically follows conclusions. Means Silox, right? Come on. Only few tracks are trails. Only few tracks are trails. Only few tracks are trails. Only few routes are trails. Only few routes. Here is the routes, right? Only few routes are trails. Some of the routes are not trails. Some of the tracks are not trails. Only routes are, only few routes are trails in the sense, some of the routes are only trails, some of the routes are not trails అని చెప్తున్నాం. Then some trails are definitely not routes. Forget about definitely. Some trails are not routes. అన్ని ట్రైల్స్ రూట్స్ అవుతాయి చూడండి. ఇది ట్రైల్, ఇది రూట్, అన్ని ట్రైల్స్ రూట్స్ అవుతాయి. కనెక్షన్ పాసిబుల్. ఆన్సర్ నాట్ ఫాలోస్. ఆన్సర్ నాట్ ఫాలోస్. సమ్ ట్రాక్స్ ఆర్ డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్. ఫర్గెట్ అబౌట్ డెఫినెట్లీ. సమ్ ట్రాక్స్ ఆర్ నాట్ ట్రైల్స్. అన్ని ట్రాక్స్ ట్రైల్స్ అవుతాయి చూడండి. ఇది ట్రాక్, ఇది ట్రైల్. అన్ని ట్రాక్స్ ట్రైల్స్ అయ్యే అవకాశం లేదు. అదే కదా చెప్పింది కాదు అని. అన్ని ట్రాక్స్ ట్రైల్స్ అయ్యే అవకాశం లేదు. కనెక్షన్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. ఆన్సర్ ఫాలోస్. అండ్ సమ్ రూట్స్ ఆర్ డెఫినెట్లీ నాట్ ట్రాక్స్. అన్ని రూట్స్ ట్రాక్స్ అవుతాయా? ఇది రూట్, ఇది ట్రాక్. వీటికి రిస్ట్రిక్షన్ ఏమీ చెప్పలేదు. కనెక్షన్ పాసిబుల్. ఆన్సర్ నాట్ ఫాలోస్. సో ఓన్లీ 2 ఫాలోస్. ఆప్షన్ ఈ. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ I think 6. Question number 6, option 5 is right one. Next question number 7. All pants are C's. All pants are C's. All tigers are C's. All cans are C's. Pants, tigers, cans. Some tigers are pants. No. Some cans are pants. No. Neither one not follows. Question number 7, option 4. Next question number 8. Then H నుంచి Kకి వెళ్తున్నాడా? H నుంచి Gకి వెళ్తున్నాము. దెన్ H నుంచి ఇక్కడ Gకి వెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. నాట్ ఫాలోస్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. క్లియర్? H నుంచి Kకి వెళ్ళాలంటే ఫస్ట్ Gకి వెళ్ళాలి. H నుంచి Gకి వెళ్ళే ఛాన్సే లేదు. ఫర్గెట్ అబౌట్ దట్. నాట్ ఫాలోస్. పి నుంచి జీకి వెళ్ళాలని చెప్తున్నాడు. పి నుంచి జీకి వెళ్ళాలి అంటే పి నుంచి ఎఫ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. ఎఫ్ నుంచి జీకి వెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ కూడా లేదు. ఫస్ట్ జీకి వెళ్ళాలంటే కేకి వెళ్ళాలి. సో పి నుంచి కేకి వెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ కూడా లేదు. అగైన్ నాట్ ఫాలోస్. నెక్స్ట్ కే నుంచి సికి వెళ్ళాలని చెప్తున్నాం. కే నుంచి ఎఫ్కి అయితే వెళ్తున్నాం. మరి ఎఫ్ నుంచి సికి వెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ కూడా లేదు. ఎఫ్ నుంచి సికి, సి నుంచి ఎఫ్కి వస్తుంది. సో అగైన్ నాట్ ఫాలోస్. నన్ ఈస్ ట్రూ. Question number 8, option E. Option E is the right one. Next question number 9 to 11. Then 7 persons are sitting in a row, some of them facing north and some of them facing south. 7 persons, some are north, some are south. They are belong to different cities: Pune, Dehradun, Jaipur, Mumbai, Kolkata, Agra and Gurgaon. All the information is not in the same order. G does not belong to Dehradun. G not belongs to Dehradun. Come on, want to puzzle? Okay. So here they are given Pune, Dehradun, Jaipur, Mumbai, Kolkata, Agra, Gurgaon. All the information is not in the same order. G does not belongs to Dehradun. Here G does not belong to Dehradun. Next, S does not belongs to Mumbai. S does not belongs to Mumbai. Next, K does not belongs to Jaipur. K does not belongs to Jaipur. Next, that's it. K does not belongs to Jaipur. G Dehradun not, and S Mumbai కాదు, K Jaipur కాదు అని చెప్తున్నాం. తర్వాత 2 persons sit between S and one who belongs to Jaipur, who sit at the end. S and Jaipur 2 persons, Jaipur is one of the end అని చెప్పాను. So here is the Jaipur and 2 persons sit between S and Jaipur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members, right? So one of the Jaipur is here and 1, 2 persons, here is the S. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members, right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members. Jaipur is one of the end. Jaipur is one of them. There is a taken left hand. There is the most right hand is given. The next one. K does not belong to Jaipur. 2 persons sit between S and Jaipur, who sit at the end. 2 persons sit between the one who belongs to Agra and neighbor of R. 2 persons sit between the one who belongs to Agra and neighbor of R key. Neighbor of R key. 2 persons sit between Agra and neighbor of R. That only. At least 3 persons sit between one who belongs to Mumbai and one who belongs to Dehradun. At least 3 persons sit between Mumbai ki Dehradun ki. Mumbai ki Dehradun ki 3 persons are చెప్తుంది. That telling 3 persons. At least 3 persons. At least 3 persons sit between Mumbai and Dehradun. The one who belongs to Agra does not sit at end of the row. Agra does not sit at any end. Agra not end. So Agra is not the end position. Agra is not the end position. Next, 3 persons sit between W and G, who faces opposite to the one who belongs to Agra. 3 places between W and G. So 3 persons sit between W and G, and G and Agra opposite direction. Opposite direction they are telling. So 3 persons sit between W and G, who in the sense G face opposite to the one who belongs to Agra. So G is opposite to Agra, opposite direction. R sit to the immediate right of S, who faces south. So they are telling S faces south, S is facing south, and S also facing south, and R sit immediate right of S is here. So it is the only chance of R, and it is the only chance of R. R is immediate right of S is here, right? The next one. The one who belongs to Pune sit second to the right of one who belongs to Agra. Pune is second right of Agra. So here Agra, Pune is second right of Agra. First right, second right, here is the Pune. Pune is second to the right of Agra. Both the neighbors of the one who belongs to Agra face opposite to each other. Immediate neighbors of Agra, opposite direction. So here is the immediate neighbors of Agra, opposite direction. Immediate neighbors of Agra, opposite direction. Next. M sit to the left of D. Where about? Immediately aవచ్చు, maybe 2 persons, maybe 3 persons. So, but M sit left of D is here. So M sit left of D is here. Next, maybe 1 person or 2 persons, maybe 3 persons, maybe immediate. Next, don't know. W sit adjacent to the one who belongs to Pune. W and Pune are adjacent. So W and Pune are adjacent, they are telling. W and Pune are adjacent. Pune is the secondary of Agra. Immediate neighbors of Agra is opposite directions. Be careful. Next. W is adjacent to the one who belongs to Pune. Both the neighbors of R face same direction. Both the neighbors of R face same direction. R, one of the neighbor is face south. That person also facing south direction. So that person also facing south direction. Right? Next. The one who belongs to Mumbai sit adjacent to R. Mumbai is adjacent to R, right? So R adjacent is Mumbai. Here may be Mumbai. Here also may be Mumbai. But I am already told S is not a Mumbai. S is not a Mumbai. So one of the person is here only, right? So that person is Mumbai. That person is Mumbai. And here also that person is Mumbai. So here is Mumbai. And at least 3 persons sit between Mumbai and Dehradun, right? So 1, 2, 3 persons here is the Dehradun. At least 3 persons in the sense 3, maybe 4 also. Here also Dehradun. 2 possibilities. Here also same possibility. Dehradun and Dehradun. But in this case, Mumbai, 1, 2, 3 persons here is the Dehradun only, right? There is not a chance of here. Already Jaipur is here. Here is the Dehradun. The next. WC touches on both the neighbors of R face same direction. Then the one who belongs to Jaipur does not face south. Jaipur does not face south in the sense Jaipur faces north only. So Jaipur faces north only. That person south. That person south. South and Jaipur is faces north only. Next, 2 persons sit between the one who belongs to Gurgaon and K. 2 persons sit between K and Gurgaon. So K and Gurgaon, 2 persons they are telling. And the last one, R and K faces opposite of M. R and K is opposite of M. The opposite of M means directions they are telling. Opposite of M directions they are telling. Come on. Here, 2 persons sit between neighbor of R and Agra they are telling. And Agra is not sit at the end of the line. For example, R is here, right? Neighbor of R, 2 persons, Agra one of the chance. Neighbor of R, one of the person, 2 persons, Agra one of the chance. Neighbor of R, 2 persons, Agra one of the chance. But neighbor of R వీడి తీసుకున్న 2 persons Agra ఎండ్ కాదని చెప్పాడు. 2 persons Agra ఆల్రెడీ జైపూర్ వచ్చింది. అంటే నైబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ తీసుకోకూడదు కదా. నైబర్ ఆఫ్ ముంబైని తీసుకుంటే నైబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్ 2 persons Agra ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ ఈజ్ హియర్. రైట్ హియర్ ఆల్సో ఎస్ తీసుకుంటే 2 persons Agra ఎండ్ అవుతాడు. ఎస్ తీసుకుంటే 2 persons Agra ఎండ్ అవుతాడు. నైబర్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్కి ఆగ్రాకి 2 persons, నాట్ ఆర్ అండ్ ఆగ్రా 2 persons. They are telling neighbor of R and Agra there is 2 persons. So again neighbor of R వీటి తీసుకుంటే 2 persons Agra ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటుందమ్మా. Agra ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ అక్కడ ఉంటుంది. తర్వాత then Agra and G are opposite directions. So Agra is not a G, right? Agra is not a G. They are indirectly telling Agra is not a person of G indirectly. Then K and Gurgaon there are 2 persons. And Agra, immediate neighbors of Agra opposite directions. Immediate neighbors of Agra opposite directions. Here the person is facing south and the person is facing north. And person is facing south and person is facing north direction. Then Pune is immediate right of second right of Agra. For example, Agra is here. Take it as here. For example, Agra south. Pune is second right in the sense it is the Pune. For example, I am taking it as here, red line. For example, Agra facing south. Pune is second right of Agra, right? So first and second right it is the Pune. Pune is immediate neighbor of W, right? So immediate neighbor of W. And then 3 persons sit between W and G, right? 1 to 3 persons between W and G. And G and Agra not a opposite. So G and Agra opposite, right? The person is facing south, that person is facing north. And G is not a Dehradun, right? So I am telling already Mumbai Dehradun at least 3 persons. Is Mumbai and Dehradun at least 3 persons. G not a chance of Dehradun. So it is going to be Dehradun. Then one of the chance. Next one, Gurgaon and K, there are 2 persons. So here is the Gurgaon, 2 persons K. Already K told K is not Jaipur. For example, is the Gurgaon, 2 persons K, maybe chance. and it is a Gurugram 2 persons K not a chance. So it is a Gurugram only, and Gurugram 2 persons K is here only. And R and K opposite of M they are telling. R and K opposite of M. Maybe M chance is here, maybe M also chance is here. Just wait. Next, G and Agra opposite, that's already over. And one line missing. Yeah. Both the neighbors of R face the same direction. Both the neighbors of R face the same direction. So south and south direction. Very good. So south and south direction. అది కాక ఇంకొక లైన్ ఉందమ్మ చూడండి ఎక్కడ ఉందా. Yeah. M sit left of D right. M sit left of D right. So for example D is here, D is here, D is right. For example D is here. సో ఇక్కడ డి ఉంటే డికి లెఫ్ట్ ఛాన్స్ లేదు, లేదా ఇక్కడ డి ఉంటే డికి లెఫ్ట్ ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో దట్స్ వై ఆగ్రా ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫేసింగ్ సౌత్ క్లియర్లీ. సో ఆగ్రా ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫేసింగ్ సౌత్ ఇన్ ద సెన్స్ ఆగ్రా ఈజ్ ఫేసింగ్ నార్త్ ఓన్లీ. Agra is facing north only. First I have to do that later. Then ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే ఆగ్రా కంపల్సరీ సౌత్ వస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ పూణే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఆగ్రాకి ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ నైట్లో పూణే ఉండాలి, ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ నైట్ ఇట్స్ ద పూణే. ఆగ్రాకి ఫస్ట్ అండ్ సెకండ్ నైట్లో పూణే ఉండాలి. పూణే ఇస్ నైబర్ ఆఫ్ డబ్ల్యూ, ఇట్స్ ద డబ్ల్యూ, అండ్ 3 persons G, and G is not a Dehradun, right? So G is Dehradun, G is not a Dehradun. First elimination this case. First elimination this case. So Agra is not a south, so Agra is only north, so it is going to be Pune. It's going to be Pune. Agra ki first second nightlo Pune undali. Immediate neighbors of Agra opposite directions adi teeskunnam. Immediate neighbors of R same direction adi kuda teeskunnamu. Pune is neighbor of W, so here is the W, and here is the Dehradun. 1 2 3 persons, here is the G. Next D is left of M, so K and Gurugram 2 persons. K is not a Jaipur, already told. K is not a Jaipur. K may be here. 2 persons Gurugram not a chance. 2 persons Gurugram not a chance. Again, only chance is K, and 2 persons here is the Gurugram. 2 persons here is the Gurugram, and remaining city is going to be R. Next, M is left of D, right? So here is the D, and it is the only chance of M. So here is the D, and it is the only chance of M. R and K opposite of M, it is the R and K opposite of M. M is north, R is south direction, K also south direction. So north, south, 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 north, north, south, and Jaipur, Mumbai, Gurugram, Agra, Dehradun, Pune, and remaining city. So remaining person. So here is the person. Here is the person. More to questions. Question number 9. Who among the following person belongs to Kolkata? Remaining city is Kolkata, right? So Kolkata is going to be R. The one who sits second left of S? No, not true. The one who sits second left of D, first or second left, that's right. The one who sits second left of D, that's right. So option B. Question number 9, option B is the right one. Next, what is the position of the one who belongs to Mumbai with respect to K? What is the position of Mumbai with respect to K? They are asking. Here is the Mumbai, here is the K. First, second, third, fourth, fifth to the right. K is facing south, right? Fifth to the right. Fifth to the right. Option D. Question number 10. Option D is the right one. Next, question number 11. Who among the following person sit third to the left of R? Third to the left of R, first left, second left, third left is W. Then W is Dehradun, right? So the one who belongs to Dehradun. Question number 11, option C is the right one. Next, question number 12. Who among the following study in class? The different one. Come on. 12 to 14, 6 students is here. Z, JC, ABN study in 6 different classes. They are standing in seminar hall according to their classes in descending order. Seminar are standing at descending order, they are telling. So directly I am taking a descending order. First 10th class, then after 8th class, 6th class, 5th class, 4th class and 2nd class. Descending order. B studies higher class than with respect to C. B is higher than C. So it is higher ante C ante lower kada. So B is higher than C I am telling. Next one. B is higher than C. N study lower class than with respect to G. N is lower than G. N is lower than J I am telling. Next. A studies class 6. A studies class 6, take it as two possibilities. A is 6 and is lower class with respect to J. A is lower than J. So one of the possibilities J, one of the possibilities J is here. Right? Next. Z does not study class 2, 8, 10. So Z is not a chance of 2 kani, 8 kani, 10 kani, not possible. So Z is not study of 2, 8, 10th classes respectively or not. B studies in the lower class with respect to N. So B is the lower than N and B and C. ఒక ఆర్డర్లో ఉండాలి కదమ్మా. B is lower than N. సో ఆల్రెడీ మనకి N, J and N ఫిక్స్ అయింది. N తర్వాత B, B తర్వాత C ఉండాలని మనం ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పుకున్నాము. సో J and BC ఒక ఆర్డర్లో ఉండాలి. ఆల్రెడీ J కన్ఫర్మ్. Then after N, then after B, then after C is only Z. But Z are telling Z is not a 10. First one is elimination. Observe clearly. Then Z తర్వాత NBC ఉండాలి. సో N is a BC ఉంటే మళ్ళీ Z రావడానికి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. NBC ఉంటే Z రావడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది కదా. సో N is a B, is a C, is a Z ఛాన్స్. Z is not a 5 అని చెప్పలేదు. దాని తర్వాత ఇచ్చాడు A study in higher class with respect to B. So A is higher than B. Then B does not study 4. B does not study 4 అని చెప్తున్నాము. Means he's not a chance. So ZBC కాదు, BZC. So JNBC, JNBC, A is higher than B, B is not study of 4, B is study of 5, Z is 4. So Z are not telling Z 4 అని కాదు అక్కడ చెప్పలేదు. So it is a true. So it is a true. Who among the following studying class 8? Class 8 or ma? N. Question number 12. Option B. Option B is the right one. Option B. Next question number 13. Which of the following statement is false? B studies class 5. Right? They are asking false statement. N study higher class with respect to Z. N study higher with respect to Z. That is also true. They are asking false statement. Z studies in lower class with respect to C. Z is lower than C na? No, that is not true. Z is higher than C, right? So that is not true. Question number 13. Option C is the right one. Next question number 14. How many students study in the higher class with respect to Z? Higher with respect to Z, how many students here? 4 members. Question number 14. Option A. Option A is the right one. Next question number 15. Certain number of boxes are placed one above the other. Bottommost box is number 1 and just above box is number 2 and so on. Certain number of boxes is here 1 and 2 and so on. 3 boxes are placed between P and L. So come on, 3 boxes between P and L they are asking. P 1, 2, 3 boxes is the L and L 1, 2, 3 boxes is the P. They don't know. P కింద ఉండాలి, L పైన ఉండాలి అక్కడ చెప్పలేదు. So that's why I am taking 2 possibilities L and P and P and L. Next one. 3 boxes are placed between P and L. M is placed second below of P. So M is placed second below of P. First below, second below, and M is placed second below of P. Only 3 boxes are between L and R. L and R 3 boxes. Paina chance undi, kinna chance undi, kinna chance undi, paina chance undi. 1 to 3 boxes R chance ledu kabatti 1 to 3 boxes is the R only chance. And M is S is placed just above P. S is placed just above P ante ikkada chance ledu R ki. 1, 2, 3 boxes R already undi kabatti 1, 2, 3 boxes it is the R chance. Next, M is placed 5th either from the bottom or topmost position. So M is 5th position, either top nunchaina or bottom nunchaina. 5th position అని చెప్పున్నాము. Next, as many boxes are placed between M and Q same as Q and R. M and Q same as Q and R. Q is the common, right? M and Q same as Q and R. So Q is the common. In the sense Q is the middle of between M and R. So here's the M, here's the R. Q Q is the middle in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes Q and 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes Q. And M and R. So 1, 2 boxes is the Q and 1, 2 boxes. M and Q 2 boxes, Q and also 2 boxes. T is placed second above of X, which is adjacent to L. L adjacent to X kavalante there is only chance of X and there is only chance of X. T is second above of X, first above, second above, and the first above, second above, there is the T only. Next, which is adjacent to box L, not more than 2 boxes placed between X and R. In between X and R, not more than 2, maybe 2 and a chance on the X and R is the only 2, and X and R is the only 1, 2, 3, 4 members is here. So it's not a possibility case. Not a possibility case. Not more than 2 boxes between X and R. X and R there is only 2 boxes. Condition satisfied. 5 boxes are placed between R and Y, which is placed adjacent to Q. So R and Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes Y. So which is adjacent to Q they are telling, right? So R and Y which is adjacent to Q means Y is adjacent to Q only chance. Then M is fifth either top or bottom. M top nunchi fifth position chance ledu. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 members in the stack. That is the possibility. Right? Then how many possible number of boxes are placed in the above arrangement? Already told, 15 members. Question number 15, option B. Option B is the right one. Next question number 16. Which among the following boxes is placed just below Q? They are asking just below Q is Y, right? Just below Q is Y. Then none of these. Which of the following is just below Q? They are asking, that is the Y position. Then none of these. Question number 16, option E. Next question number 17. How many boxes are placed between X and M? In between X and M, how many boxes is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. In between X and M, there is 6 boxes. Question number 17, option E is the right one. Next question number 18. Which of the following box is placed 7th from the bottommost position? M already 5th, right? So 6th and 7th. 7th from the bottom is P. Question number 18, option A. Next question number 19. Certain number of boxes only. 4 of the following Fahrenheit is certain, they are asking odd one out. R and X. 2 boxes in between R and X. Q and P. Again 2 boxes between Q and P. S and M. S and M. Where is S? You don't know that S, right? Then Y and T. 2 boxes. No, not 2 boxes. T and L. Again T and L, there is 2 boxes. S and M. There is something a part of S, right? S ekkada undamma? Just listen. S is placed just above the P. S is placed just above the P. They are setting S is placed just above the P is here. So come on, do that. Then S and M. In between S and M also 2 boxes is here. Only T and L only, not 2 boxes also here. Y and T only, not 2 boxes. Y and T only 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes in between Y and T. That is the different one. Question number 19, option D. Option D is the right one. Next question. Then 8 persons is here sitting on circle table from each other. 8 persons sitting on circle table from each other. Then come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are facing center, right? They are given all are facing center. Next. Equidence. ఎందుకు యారో చెప్పానో చెప్తాను. రామ్, రామ, రాము. Be careful. రామ్, రామ, రాము. Raju, Raja, Ramesh, Rupesh and Rohit. Not in the same order. They all are facing center. And all of them are eating different foods among dosa, idli, burger, paneer, spring roll, chili potato, Maggi and soup. Next. Ram is sitting in front of who is eating idli. Ram is front of idli means they are sitting opposite. If you Ram, idli, Ram, idli, Ram, idli, they are telling. Next. Ramesh is the sitting opposite to Rama. Rohit is sitting spring roll. Rohit is eating spring roll. Come on. Rohit spring roll. Rohit is spring roll. Ram is facing southwest direction. Be careful. Ram is not sitting southwest direction. Ram is facing southwest direction. Be careful. It is the north direction. It is the south. It is the east. It is the west direction. Same. It is the north and it is the east. It is the west. Sorry. It is south and west directions. So here I am telling Ram is facing southwest direction. Where is southwest direction? Here is the southwest direction, right? So Ram here only, Ram is facing southwest direction. But Ram is here, they are sitting in between southwest direction. Ram is facing southwest direction. There is a southwest direction. Here is the Ram. Ram is facing southwest direction. So it is going to be Ram. And that person also is going to be Ram. ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ చేద్దాము, రాకపోతే ఇంకో పాసిబిలిటీ చూద్దాము. సో రామ్ ఫస్ట్ చెప్పున్నాము, రామ్ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ హూ ఈటింగ్ ఇడ్లీ. సో దట్ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ ఇడ్లీ, రైట్? రామ్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ఫ్రంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇడ్లీ, దట్ పర్సన్ ఈజ్ ఇడ్లీ. రమేష్ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు రామ. రమేష్ అండ్ రామ ఆపోజిట్. సో రమేష్ అండ్ రామ, నాట్ రాము రామ. రామ్ ఉంది, రాము ఉంది, రామ ఉంది. సో రమేష్ ఈజ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు రామ. రోహిత్ ఈజ్ ఈటింగ్ స్ప్రింగ్ రోల్. రామ్ ఈజ్ ఫేసింగ్ సౌత్ వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ అండ్ హీ లైక్స్ దోసా. సో రామ్ ఈజ్ లైక్స్ దోసా అని చెప్తున్నాం. ద నెక్స్ట్, రాజా హూ ఈజ్ ఈటింగ్ చిల్లీ పొటాటో ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫేసింగ్ ఈస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ అండ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ ద వన్ హూ సిట్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ రామ్ అండ్ రాము. సో రాజా చిల్లీ పొటాటో, రైట్? సో రాజా chilli potato and that person is not facing east direction. ఇదే కదా ఈస్ట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ కూర్చోడని చెప్తున్నాడు, అంటే వెస్ట్లో కూర్చోడని చెప్తున్నాడు. సో రాజా ఈజ్ నాట్ సిటింగ్ ఆన్ వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్, అంటే వెస్ట్లో కూర్చోడం మనం చెప్తున్నాము, ఫేసింగ్ కాదు, వెస్ట్కి చేంజ్ చేసుకున్నాం దాన్ని. అండ్ ఈజ్ నాట్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ ద వన్ హూ సిట్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ రామ్ అండ్ రాము. రామ్ అండ్ రాముకి మధ్యలో, రామ్ అండ్ రాముకి మధ్యలో, రామ్ అండ్ రాముకి మధ్యలో కూడా లేడు అని చెప్తున్నాము. రాజా లైక్స్ చిల్లీ పొటాటో ఈజ్ నాట్ సిట్టింగ్ వెస్ట్ అండ్ రాముకి మధ్యలో కూడా లేడు అని చెప్తున్నాము. దట్స్ వెయిట్. నెక్స్ట్, రమేష్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ టు రామ, అది అయిపోయింది కదమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్, రాజా హూ ఈస్ చిల్లీ పొటాటో ఇస్ నాట్ ఫేసింగ్ ఈస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ అండ్ ఈస్ నాట్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆపోజిట్ ద వన్ హూ సిట్టింగ్ బిట్వీన్ రామ్ అండ్ రాము. Rama does not like burger and is sitting facing south. Rama does not like burger and is sitting facing south anta. Facing south ante north loనే ఉన్నాడు. So here is the Rama. And Rama does not like burger and is facing south direction. Ramu is facing northwest direction. So here is the north, here is the west, right? So Ramu is facing northwest direction. Ramu is facing northwest direction. Next, and likes paneer. And likes paneer, they are telling. Rupesh is eating Maggi and is sitting opposite to the one who is facing west. One who is facing west ki opposite anta. ఈ పర్సన్ ఫేసింగ్ వెస్ట్ అయినా మరి వీడికి ఆపోజిట్ అంటే ఇక్కడే కదా. సో ఎవరు చెప్తున్నాడు? రూపేష్ ఈజ్ ఈటింగ్ మ్యాగీ. సో ఇట్స్ ద రూపేష్. సో ఇట్స్ ద రూపేష్. Rupesh is eating Maggi, they are telling. Rupesh is eating Maggi and is sitting opposite to the one who is facing west. West face చేసే వాడికి ఆపోజిట్ అంట. సారీ ఫర్ దట్. వెస్ట్ ఫేస్ చేసేవాడు ఎవడమ్మా? ఈయన కదా, వీడికి ఆపోజిట్ అంట. వెస్ట్ ఫేస్ చేసేవాడికి ఆపోజిట్ అంటే వీడు కదమ్మా, రూపేష్ అండ్ మ్యాగీ. సో హియర్ నాట్ ఇస్ రూపేష్ అండ్ మ్యాగీ. హియర్ Rupesh is eating Maggi and is sitting opposite to the one who is facing west. Who is facing west? He is facing west. వీడికి ఆపోజిట్ అంటే వీడే కదా. సో రూపేష్ అండ్ మ్యాగీ. సో ఇట్ ఇస్ ద రూపేష్ అండ్ మ్యాగీ is here. Rupesh and Maggi. Sorry for that. Next, Raju is facing northeast direction. నార్త్ ఈస్ట్, ఇదే కదా నార్త్ ఈస్ట్. సో ఇట్ ఇస్ ద రాజు. రాజు ఈజ్ ఫేసింగ్ నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్. ద పర్సన్ హూ ఈజ్ ఇమీడియట్ నైబర్ ఆఫ్ ద వన్ హూ లైక్స్ చిల్లీ పొటాటో అండ్ వన్ హూ లైక్స్ దోశ లైక్స్ సూప్. దోశ ఒకడు వచ్చాడు, చిల్లీ పొటాటో వీడు రావాలి లేదా వీడు రావాలి. ఎందుకంటే ద పర్సన్ హూ ఈజ్ ఇమీడియట్ నైబర్, ఆ నైబర్ ఎవరికి, ఇద్దరికి, చిల్లీ పొటాటోకి సూప్కి దోశకి ఒకటే నైబర్ ఉండాలని చెప్తున్నాడు. అదే చెప్పాడు వాడు. ద పర్సన్ హూ ఈజ్ ఇమీడియట్ నైబర్ ఆఫ్ ద వన్ హూ లైక్స్ చిల్లీ పొటాటో అండ్ వన్ హూ లైక్స్ దోశ, దోశకి చిల్లీ పొటాటో నైబర్ ఎవడైతే ఉంటాడో వాడు సూప్ అని చెప్పాడంటే ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ దోశ వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ చిల్లీ పొటాటో వస్తే ఇక్కడ సూప్ రావాలి. లేదు కాబట్టి చిల్లీ పొటాటో ఇక్కడే రావాలి. సో ఇట్స్ ద చిల్లీ పొటాటో. అండ్ చిల్లీ పొటాటో ఇక్కడ రావాలంటే ఎవడు వీడు? రాజా. సో రాజా అనేవాడు వెస్ట్లో లేడు, అంటే ఇక్కడ లేడు. అండ్ రాముకి మధ్యలో కూడా లేడు. రామ్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు, రాము ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు. వీడికి మధ్యలో అంటే వీడు ఇక్కడ కూడా లేడు కదా. దెన్ రాజా లైక్స్ చిల్లీ పొటాటో. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ రోహిత్ స్ప్రింగ్ రోల్ కదా, ఇక్కడ కానీ ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ వాడు సూప్, ఇక్కడ సూప్. నెక్స్ట్ ద పర్సన్ హూ ఈజ్ ఇమిడియట్ నైబర్ ఆఫ్ ద వన్ హూ లైక్స్, అది అయిపోయింది. దెన్ రాము ఈజ్ ఫేసింగ్ నార్త్ వెస్ట్ డైరెక్షన్ అండ్ లైక్స్ పన్నీర్. Ramesh and Rama is opposite, right? Ramesh and Rama opposite. Here's the Rama and it's going to be Ramesh, and that person remaining is Rohit is here. So here's the Rohit, and Rohit is a spring roll, and one of the item is one of the item. So here is the person. So be careful with along with the directions they are telling, but they are facing each other. They are facing east. They are facing east అంటే వెస్ట్లో కూర్చున్నాను అంటాము. దే ఆర్ ఫేసింగ్ నార్త్ అంటే సౌత్లో ఉన్నాను అర్థము. అదొకటి క్లారిటీ వస్తే ఇచ్చేస్తుంది, రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 20. హూ ఈజ్ సిట్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద ఇమిడియట్ రైట్ ఆఫ్ రామ? ఇమిడియట్ రైట్ ఆఫ్ రామ ఎవరమ్మా? రాజా. దెన్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 20 ఆప్షన్ ఈ. ఆప్షన్ ఈ ఈస్ రైట్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 21. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 21. విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ పెయిర్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ దే ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్. రమేష్ ఇడ్లీ, నో. రమేష్ ఇడ్లీ కదా, ఇడ్లీ ఆర్డర్ వచ్చాడు. రోహిత్ పన్నీరా, రోహిత్ ఆర్డర్ స్ప్రింగ్ రోల్ అని చెప్పున్నాడు. రామా దోశ, నో. రామ్ దోశ, నాట్ రామా దోశ. రమేష్ బర్గర్, సో రిమైనింగ్ బర్గర్ రైట్. పన్నీర్ వచ్చింది, మ్యాగీ వచ్చింది, దోశ, సూపు, చిల్లీ పొటాటో, స్ప్రింగ్ రోల్, ఇడ్లీ. ఓన్లీ బర్గర్ రిమైనింగ్. సో రమేష్ ఈస్ బర్గర్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 21 ఆప్షన్ డి ఇస్ రైట్ వన్. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 22. Who sit opposite to the one who is facing northeast direction? Who is facing northeast direction? Northeast, facing northeast direction, that. Who sit opposite the one who is facing northeast direction? Northeast direction opposite ఎవరు ఉన్నారమ్మా? రామ్ పర్సన్. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 22 ఆప్షన్ సి. ఆప్షన్ సి is right one. Next question number 23. Who is sitting to the immediate right of Ramu? Immediate right of Ramu is Rupesh or Maggie. Rupesh or Maggie. Question number 23 option E. Option E is right one. Next question number 24. Who is having soup? Having soup everma? Rama is having soup. Question number 24 option A. Option A is right one. Next question number 25. Then 8 persons, 25 to 29. 8 persons is here. Different number of coupons from 1 to 8 on different dates. 10, 13, different months, January, June, October, November. Come on. So January and June and October and November. November got 30 days, October got 31 days, June got 30 days, and January got 31 days. The dates are 10 and 13. 10 and 13 and 10 and 13, 10 and 13 and 10 and 13 is here. And 8 persons PQRSTV, different number of coupons from 1 to 8 on different dates. Different dates is come on. Next, come on. Next, in a year 3 persons buy coupons after P. 3 persons buy after P. Here's the P only, right? Take it as two possibilities. Here's the P, and after P there are only 3 persons. Here's the 3 persons after P. 4 by 6 coupons, so P is 6 coupon and P is 6 coupons. Next, two persons buy coupon between P and Q. Here's the 2 persons, Q is here and 2 persons, Q is here. W buys coupons just before Q, so it's the W, and it's the W just before Q. Next, who buys highest prime number coupons in the between 1 to 8? What is the highest prime number? 7, right? So Q goes to highest prime number means Q is going to be 7, and Q is going to be 7. Next, U buys coupon just before R. U buys is just before R, ilana undali. So just before, right? So U buys just before R, but not in same month. Same month కాదంట. అంటే R and U ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, R వస్తే U ఛాన్స్ లేదు, R వస్తే U ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో ఓన్లీ ఛాన్స్ హియర్ ఇస్ ద R and here is a U. అండ్ ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ R and ఇక్కడ U. సో here is the R and here is the U. డిఫరెంట్ మంత్స్ ఉండాలి, R ఇమిడియట్లీ U ఉండాలి. అంటే ఇవి 10 అవ్వాలి, ఇవి 13 అవ్వాలి. ఇవి 10 13 ఛాన్స్ లేదు, ఇవి 10కి అసలు ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఇక్కడ ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఒక పాసిబిలిటీ ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్, T does not buy coupons after R. T after R కాదంట, T before R కదా. There is only chance of T. There is only chance of T and T is here. So T is before R. Remember that point. Next, T does not buy coupons after R. S does not buy coupons 13th of any of the month. S does not buy 13th. So S not a chance of here, S not a chance of here, elimination. S does not buy 13 means S is by 10 only, right? So S may be chance and S only chance is here. Then R before T is the only chance of T is here. Clear? Next, W buys S does not buy coupons 13th of the any month. W buys thrice the number of coupons than S. S into 3 is equal to W. S into 3 is equal to W. For example, S is 1, W is 3. S is 2, W is 6. Already 6 is going to be P. There are only number of items is only 1 to 8. For example, S is 3 and 3 3s are 9. There is no number of 9. So except S and W, only 1 and 3 possible up to here. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఎస్కి 2 తీసుకుంటే డబ్ల్యూకి 6 అవుతుంది, ఆల్రెడీ పీకి 6 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో ఎస్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి 1 ఓన్లీ అండ్ డబ్ల్యూ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి 3 ఓన్లీ. Next one, V buys the highest number of coupons. Neither T or V buys 5 coupons. So next person is V only. V is highest coupon number is 5. T and R 5 కాదని చెప్తున్నాము. T and R 5 కాదంటే there is only 5. So remaining 2 or 4 you cannot determine. 2 or 4. So that is the puzzle. That is the puzzle. Come on. Who among the following buy coupons on 13th October? 13th October or ma? 13th October is you, right? You. Person who buys 1 coupon kaadu, person who buys 5 coupons. Question number 25, option B is here. Next. How many persons buy coupons between V and S? In between V and S, how many persons is here? 1, 2, 3, 4 persons is here. 4 persons. Question number 26, option A. Option A is here. Next, find the odd one out. W 10th date, Q 13th, T 13, P 10, U 13. Nothing but W 31 number of days, Q also 31 number of days, T only 30 days, P and U 31 number of days, T only 30 number of days. That is the different one. Question number 27, option C. Option C is the right one. Next question 28. Dash buy coupons just before the person who buys 4 coupons. Cannot be determined, right? 4 coupons వీడైతే U, 4 coupons వీడైతే S. You cannot be determined. Maybe 1 or 2 option ఉంటే పెట్టచ్చమ్మా. Cannot be determined. Question number 28, option E. ఎందుకంటే 4 మనకు తెలియదు, ఎక్కడ రాలేదు కూడా. 4 and 2 గురించి ఎక్కడ చెప్పలేదు కూడా. How many persons buy coupons after W? After W, how many persons is here? In the set of 8 persons, W is one of the end. So after W, there is only 7 persons, right? So question number 29, option E. Next, 30 to 34. Come on. 30 to 34, study the following information carefully and answer the given question. So they are given alphanumeric series is given. So come on. So they given like, so he is given input like input A 2P star 8Q 7IG 3T percentage ER 5S W6 BJ at the rate and UD1 is here. UD1 is the given. Then followed by step 1, step 2, step 3 is given. Step 1, the letters which are immediately preceded by vowel and immediately followed by digit. So immediately preceded by vowel and immediately followed by digit. ఇలాంటి లెటర్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఆ లెటర్స్ని అరేంజ్ జస్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1 ఇన్ ద ఆల్ఫబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్. జస్ట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1 ఇన్ ద ఆల్ఫబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఓవల్ తర్వాత లెటర్, డిజిట్స్ ముందు లెటర్ ఏమున్నాయి చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ ఓవల్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. ఓవల్ తర్వాత లెటర్ లేదు, ఓవల్ తర్వాత లెటరు అండ్ డిజిట్ ముందు లెటరు. నెక్స్ట్ ఓవల్ తర్వాత లెటర్ ఉంది కానీ హిర్స దెన్ ఓవల్ తర్వాత లెటరు, డిజిట్ ముందు లెటరు. నెక్స్ట్ ఓవల్ తర్వాత లెటరు, డిజిట్ ముందు లెటరు. దర్ ఇస్ ఓన్లీ 3 vowels like that. So step 1 is given A2P star 8Q7I3T percentage E5S W6BJ at the rate and UD లేదు 1 తర్వాత అరేంజ్డ్ ఇన్ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్, రైట్? సో DRG, so DG and R is here. DG and R. Then after that, what is the step 2? Step 2 is given. What about step 2? They're asking. They're telling step 2 about the consonants which are immediately preceded by digits. The consonant which are immediately preceded by digits. Digit తర్వాత ఉండే కాన్సనెంట్ అన్నిటినీ కూడా arranged after 1 in the alphabetical order. Arranged after 1 in the alphabetical order, they are telling. Digits and consonants. అలాంటి కాన్సనెంట్స్. సో డిజిట్ అండ్ కాన్సనెంట్, ఇట్ ఇస్ అ P. అండ్ digit and consonant, so here is a Q. Digit consonant is the digit consonant is a T, and digit consonant is a S, and it is a B, and digit consonant it is a D. Digit consonant is a G. Attended in step 2. Step 2 attend in alphabetical order after 1. They are telling after 1 alphabetical order. So come on. Here is A 2 star 8 7 I 3 percentage E5 W6 J at the rate and U 1. So they are telling after 1. They are telling after 1. They are telling after 1. So in the sense U, then after D is here, sorry, B is here. After 1 B, then D, B, D, B, D. Then after PQST, PQST, then after G is common and R is also common. Is it clear? The next one. So third step, step 3. Step 3 is given. The symbols are removed and placed at the last in same order as the series. Symbols removed and placed at the same order. So A287I3 E5 W6 JU1BD, and then PQSTGR placed as the same order. First is the star, the next one is the percentage, the next one is at the rate and end. సింబల్స్ రిమూవ్ చేసేసి వాటిని లాస్ట్లో సేమ్ ఆర్డర్లో రాయమని చెప్తూ ఉన్నాడు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టెప్ 3. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఆర్డర్. దట్ ఈస్ ద స్టెప్ 1, స్టెప్ 2, స్టెప్ 3. వాట్ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్? విచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఈజ్ 7th ఫ్రమ్ ద రైట్ హ్యాండ్ ఇన్ ఫైనల్ స్టెప్? Final step, 7th from the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 from the right hand is T. And question number 30, option A. Option A is the right one. Next question number 31. Question number 31, what is the sum of the 5th element from the left hand and 4th from the right in step 1? 5th from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th from the left is 8. And 4th from the right, 1, 2, 3, 4 from the right is 1. 8 plus 1 summation, sum is 9. Question number 31, option B is the right one. Next question number 32. 4 of the following parallel in certain way, they are asking odd one out. A to 8, they are asking according to step 2. They are asking according to step 2 is given. A to 8, A to 8. So 1 is the gap. After 2 letters, 2 numbers are 1 is the gap. And 7i percentage, 1 is gap again. E5W, there is only common, so consecutive, then E5W is the different one. Question number 32, option C is here. Next question number 33. Which of the following element is second to the right of the 12th element from the left hand in step 2? Second to the right of 12th from left hand. 12 plus 2, 14 from the left hand in step 2. 14 from left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 from the left hand is at the rate. Question number 33, option A is the right one. Next question number 34. Question number 34. How many digits are there in between third element from the left hand and third element from the right hand in step 1? How many digits are there asking? Third from left hand step 1. So it is the third from left hand step 1 and third from right hand is the step 2, step 1. So 1 is 1 digit, next, and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. 6 digits is here. Then question number 34, option none of this. None of this. Question number 34, option none of this is here. Next. The different instruments to play such as the violin, guitar, sitar, tabla, piano, trumpet, flute, harmonium, oboe and drum. Then those, there are more male members than female members. How many members is given? 10 members. 3, 6, 4. 10 members. More males than the females. Means at least 6 males. Kanisam. 6 males, 4 females untarani cheptunnadu. Then one member of the family is second generation is unmarried. Second generation lo oka person ki unmarried avanu cheptunnamu. Second generation lo one person is unmarried cheptamu. Next is the eldest female of the family like sitar. So eldest female, so one of the plus person, and eldest female like sitar అని చెప్పాము. Eldest female like sitar. Next, F is unmarried. J's granddaughter K is the sister of M. So for example, J take it as here. Maybe J also here. Means granddaughter, right? So J's granddaughter K. J's granddaughter K is the sister of M. They are telling sister of M is here. The brother and the sister play like violin and guitar, although not in the same order. Brother and sister violin guitar, not in same in the sense. Sister violin. So sister violin and brother guitar kada. Brother guitar. Not in the same order, in the reverse order. That's it. So the brother and sister played like violin and guitar. Brother and sister violin and guitar. So sister violin, brother guitar not in the same order. Reverse case raskunnamo. Then G's wife like piano and he likes drum. G ki marriage ayindani cheptunnam kada indirect ga. So G's wife like piano. G's wife like piano and he likes drum. G's wife piano. So G's wife like piano and he is like a drum అని చెప్తున్నాం. Next, E's sister-in-law D has one male offering and likes flute. E's sister-in-law D అంట. So E's sister-in-law D అంటే something person ఇలా ఉండొచ్చు ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. One has offering, that person is drum అని చెప్తున్నాం. That is the male person. E's sister-in-law D. E's sister-in-law D has one male offering and likes flute. The offerings in the third generation like oboe. ఒకడు ఎవరో తెలియదు. The offering like third generation is oboe అని చెప్పాను. L is the brother-in-law of E. Then again L is the brother-in-law of E అని చెప్తున్నాం. L is the brother-in-law of E. ఇటు ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, అటు ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. E and likes harmonium. So L is harmonium, right? So L is harmonium. Next, H does not like sitar. So H does not a chance of here. H does not like sitar. J is not the mother-in-law of E. So J is not a mother-in-law of E in the sense J is father-in-law of E, right? So J is the father-in-law of E. And here's the E, and take it as G is here. So G, wait till E and likes harmony. H does not like sitar. J is not the mother-in-law of E and likes tabla. J is not the mother-in-law of E and likes tabla. So J likes tabla, they are telling. L is brother-in-law of F. L is the brother-in-law of F, they are telling. So F is unmarried, right? F is one of the person is unmarried. L is the brother-in-law of F. L is brother-in-law of F ante something person is going to be L is brother-in-law of F, right? L is brother-in-law of F. So here G, drum, piano, and E's sister-in-law is D here. So E's sister-in-law D ante, for example, చూడండమ్మా ఇక్కడ G కనుక ఉంటే G is going to be drum, married to some of the person plus and minus person, and that person is L తీసుకుంటే, so already marriage, right? And it's a brother and sister relation. G and E, G drum and piano, and the E's sister-in-law is the D, right? So it's a D. So maybe chance of it's a L plus and it's a D, and so it's a F. D, L, not a chance. So maybe chance of L, and it's a D minus, and it's a F. See here. D is E's sister-in-law, L is F brother-in-law, G and something person is married, and the second generation only one of the person is unmarried. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one of the person is here. They are telling E's sister-in-law D is one of the son, so D has one son, and like the person is a drum also. Like that person is a drum also. Next, G is drum and piano. That person is not a drum. G is drum and piano. Here, G is wife like piano and he is like drum. So G is wife like piano, he is a wife, piano, and that person is a drum is here. And L is harmonium. So L is harmonium. And that person is not H, right? So that person is H only here. And remaining person, you can see that remaining person. What is the remaining person? D, E, F, G. So D, E, F, and G, H is here. Remaining person is I only. That is the person of I. That is the person of J only. So J is tabla, I is sitar, and drum and harmonium and piano, and something missing. Then there are more than male members than female members. One member of family is second generation unmarried. The eldest female is the sitar. F is unmarried. J's granddaughter K is the sister of M. J's granddaughter K is sister of M. J's granddaughter K is the sister of M. Telling the brother and sister played violin and guitar, although not in the same order. G's wife like piano and he like drum. E's sister-in-law D has one male offspring and likes flute. Yeah, flute. E's sister-in-law D offering one male member. That person is like flute. They are telling that person is like a flute. So there is not a chance. That person is like a flute is here. Next one. The offering of the third generation like O. So evado teliyadu, one of the person aithe O ani cheptunam. So O, E, O. Next, L is the brother-in-law of E. And likes harmonium. So L likes harmonium. H does not like sitar. So H does not like sitar. Already I is going to be sitar. H does not like sitar. J is not the mother-in-law of E. So J is the father-in-law of E and likes tabla. L is brother-in-law of F. So one of the sister and brother violin and guitar, right? So sister is violin, so it is a violin, and it is a guitar. and it is a guitar. So something wrong with the person. Male is more than female, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 total are male. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 males and 4 females in the family. That is the blood relation. That is the blood relation. So here, how is the L related to K? L ni question cheyali K nunchi, L ni question cheyali K nunchi. How is the L related to K is here? Where is the K? Here is the K. Emotarama uncle. A uncle, paternal uncle, father's brother, paternal uncle. Question number 35, option C. Option C is the right one. Next, question number 36. Question number 36. How is M related to J? They are asking question to M. M related to J is here. M ni question cheyali J nunchi grandson. Grandson. A grandson, paternal grandson, father's son, paternal grandson. So question number 36, option C is the right one. Next, question number 37. How is F related to H? How is the F related to H? They are asking question to F. H. Emotarama uncle. A uncle, mother's brother, right? Mother's brother means maternal uncle. Question number 37, option B. Option B is the right one. Next, question number 38. How is the G related to D? G related to G. G in question cheyali D nunchi brother-in-law, husband's brother, brother-in-law. Then question number 38, option D. Option D is the right one. Next, question number 39. The question, data sufficiency is given. Come on, 6 persons is here. Pihu, Pri, Prashant, Prem, Priya and Priyanka work in 4 different companies. Reliance, Tesla, Idea and Hiti. At least 1 person is working in each company who works in Tesla. Okay. There are 6 persons. They are talking 4 different companies. And at least 1 person. Oka person and undalani cheptunam. So what is the companies is here? Reliance and Tesla and Idea and Hilti. Come on, statement 1 alone. P works in Reliance. P works in Reliance. So here's the P works in Reliance. Priyanka works in Hitli with 1 person. So Priyanka, so here's the Priyanka and with 1 person. They are who working in Tesla. Statement 1 alone not sufficient to answer the question. Then Pihu and Prashant works in Idea. So statement 2 alone kuda cheppalem kadamma. Pihu and Prashant works in Idea. So Pihu and so statement 2 cheddam endukana manchidi. So here is the Pihu and it is the Prashant work in Idea. Priya does not work in Priyanka. So statement 2 alone kuda cheppalem ippudu. Then Priya does not work in Priyanka. So Priya only does not work in Priyanka. First ikkada Pri and at least 1 person anna cheppadu. Ikkada 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons వచ్చారు కంపల్సరీగా. ప్రియా డస్ నాట్ వర్క్ ఇన్ ప్రియాంక అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రియాంకనే కదా, ప్రియాంక వర్క్ ఇన్ స్థితి అంటే ప్రియా కంపల్సరీ టెస్ట్లోనే ఉండాలి. ఎందుకు ప్రియా ఇక్కడ కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్ అంటే ఏదన్నా కంపెనీలో 1 పర్సన్ అన్నా ఉండాలని చెప్తున్నాడు కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 2 మెంబర్స్, ఇక్కడ 2 మెంబర్స్, 4 మెంబర్స్, ఇక్కడ 1, ఇక్కడ 1. టెస్లా ఇస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి ప్రియా. స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 and 2 together sufficient to answer the question. So question number 39, option 1 and 2 data both statement 1 and 2 together not sufficient kadu, sufficient. So both statement 1 and 2 together necessary. So question number 39, option E is the right one. Next, question number 40. 7 persons is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is sit on the row facing north direction. Who among the following sit immediate left of 4? Immediate left of 4. The persons only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 అనేది వాళ్ళ పర్సన్ నేమ్స్ అంట. 4 కి immediate left ఎవడున్నాడు కావాలి. స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 చూద్దాం. 2 sit అందరూ ఫేసింగ్ నార్తే కదా. ఓకే, 2 sit సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ 4. 2 sit సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్ ఆఫ్ 4. 4 కి సెకండ్ లెఫ్ట్లో 2 అంట. Who sit immediate left of 5? Who sit immediate left of 5? Then 2 persons sit between O and 3 and 2. 2 persons. 2 persons not a chance కాబట్టి 3 and 2 there is a 3 persons. 2 persons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is condition satisfied. 7 is adjacent to 2 అని చెప్పాం. Maybe 7, maybe 7. What is the question? Immediate left of 4 కావాలి. Statement 1 alone not sufficient to answer the question. Then statement 2 చూడండి. 1 sit third left of 6. 6 కి first of second left third left of 1 is there asking. Next. Who seat second to the left of 5? Who in the sense 6? 6 second left of 5. First or second left? 6 is second left of 5 is here. 3 seat immediate left of 1. 3 seat immediate left of 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 members condition satisfied. 3 seat immediate left of 1. 2 seat second to the left of 4. 2 is second left of 4. The 4 is given. 2 is here. So 2 second left of 4 is given. 2 is second left of 4. There is only chance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 is second left of 4. There is only one chance. So 4 compulsory here only. Immediate left of 4. They are asking statement 2 alone sufficient to answer the question. Statement 2 alone. So the data only statement 2 alone sufficient to answer the question. Option D is the right one. Option D is the right one. Fine, ma. Thank you all of you.